Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to sign a consent form with an SMS or email link. Signing a consent form via SMS or email involves receiving a secure link through your phone or email. The link takes you to MyGC, an online platform where you can review and electronically sign the consent form. This streamlined process enables swift and efficient authorization, eliminating the need for physical paperwork and promoting a paperless practice. In this video, we will start on the email you have received from the practitioner. Click on the Click to View Form button. The Verify Your Identity screen will open. Click on the cell phone number or surname field and enter the relevant information. Once done, click on the Continue button to open the consent form. You will now be able to go through the contents of the consent form as well as download any attachments found within the form. To agree with the terms of this form, click on the Accept button. The Accept Consent Form pop-up will appear. You can now manually sign within the area provided. If you wish to clear the area, click on the Clear button. A proxy's role in providing medical consent is essential for ensuring a patient receives the necessary and appropriate care when they cannot make decisions themselves. Acting with legal authority, the proxy considers the patient's best interest and expressed wishes, ensuring medical treatments are administered promptly and ethically. If applicable, click on the Signed by Proxy checkbox and complete the fields with the relevant information. Once done, click on the OK button. Please note that the process in the case we instead decline consent will be exactly the same as when you accepted and gave consent.